How to fix login error at DoorDash on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your DoorDash app. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can restart your router or also you can switch your network. After you do that, now you can head towards the login process. So go ahead and choose the option that is suitable for you. Make sure to enter your DoorDash account's credentials properly. If all the credentials are correct and still you are getting this issue, then what you can do is you can launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app DoorDash. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of login process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you're still getting the issue, you can head towards Next Solution, launch your settings, scroll down, open this option General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now, here find the app DoorDash. Once you find it, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Once you offload the app, click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you are still getting this issue, you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. So click on Delete app, click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix login error DoorDash on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.